Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And there is another digraph, our digraph. This is our digraph. Okay, to begin this topic, what we are going to do, or we should introduce the bossy R. So students, are you ready for a poem? Okay, let's start. When a vowel is followed by an R. When a vowel is followed by an R, bossy R turns around and it changes vowel sound. Bossy R turns around and it changes vowel sound. When an A is with the letter R. When an A is with the bossy R, bossy R turns around and it makes a barred sound. It's R. It's R as in car. Bar. When a vowel is with the letter R. When a vowel is with the bossy R, letter R turns around and it changes vowel sound. When E, I and U, when E, I and U with the bossy R. When E, I and U are with the bossy R, letter R turns around and changes the vowel sound, and it changes the vowel sound. I've got the new sound of a racing car, and it is R. When O is with the bossy R. When O is with the bossy R, letter R turns around and changes the vowel sound, and we get a juicy sound as in orange. Okay, after singing and introducing this song, what you have to do now? You have to tell your children, your students, that whenever letter A and R are together, they give us a new sound, and this is R sound, pirate sound, R sound. And then show them different pictures like this. What is this? This is a car. And what is this? This is a bar. And what is this? This picture is showing something. Far. And what's about this one? This is a jar. And this is a shark. And this is a lark. After this, distribute all of the cards, flashcards among the students. Let them look at the picture and try to name the picture. After this, invite them for the board activity. They have to learn how to write down the R words. And for this purpose, what you can do, you can paste this picture here, and you can invite a student and encourage him or her to name the object. This is a car. R. Car. Now look at here. Bar. R. Bar. Now look at here. Jar. R. Jar. Now look at here. What is this? Far, far, R, far, far. You can do this thing with all of the other objects having the R sound. After this, what you can do, you can give them these flashcards once again, and you can ask them to look at the picture, name the picture, and finally write down the name of the picture at the back of the flashcard. After this, invite them to read the book. Here, firstly tell them that whenever they have to speak out this digraph, they have to do like this. R, 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 and then encourage them to read all of these words. Ask them to name these pictures. Park, dark, lark, and to do this exercise individually. You may encourage them to work in pair and to check the work of their partner. After doing this, what you can do, you can give them a piece of paper and let them walk in pairs and to enlist our words on this piece of paper or a flashcard. As a homework, we can suggest you to give them a task to draw the words, to draw the pictures having the names with R sound. They can draw the picture whose names are having R sounds. Then you can ask them to encircle the star with R words. This exercise can also be done here on the board. We recommend you, or we suggest you, to please spend at least 2 periods for this very digraph. Thank you very much.